Screenshot is an important thing in software testing because when you say that I found a bug, screenshot is something that gives proof to your statement. If you are doing manual testing, you take screenshots manually. But there are some automation tools as well, like Selenium, wherein you write such a script and the screenshots will be generated automatically. Just like that, using Selenium, you can do a lot of things like end-to-end scenario testing, generating reports, attaching the screenshot to the report, and many more. Now, if you are wondering that I am in a manual testing and I want to switch to the automation, then the first hurdle is the programming. Because we started career in software testing since we never wanted to go into the coding or programming. But to survive, we need to learn automation and hence the programming. Hi, my name is Amol and I am the author of the book Practical Approach of Software Testing. And I am conducting a 5 days workshop wherein I am going to teach you a lot of essential things in Selenium. Not just that, I am also going to take out the fear of programming within you. So click on the link given below and enroll for this workshop. Thank you very much.